I'm Patrick Johnson. I am the founder and inventor of Celluma Light Therapy. We are here today to celebrate the launch of the latest version of the Celluma series of light therapy devices. The Celluma Mystique is the first LED mask on the market that treats both the face as well as the scalp. In doing so, treats with two different FDA cleared, medically CE marked protocols for treating hair loss as well as for reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Given that it's a Celluma, it is flexible and shape taking, so it can contour to every user's face and scalp. It has multiple wavelengths of light being emitted simultaneously, so we can treat different levels of tissue. So despite the fact that this is a Class 2 medical device, it is approved for use at home as well as in the clinic.